are going to love the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, heated front seats, security system, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.